Good afternoon, students. Next we go for exercise 5.3 seventh sum. So given sum, find the equation of line passing through the points. Here they given equation of line passing through the 2 points. So passing through 2 points, the equation of line passing through 2 points, equation of line y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, guys, this is the equation of line passing through 2 points condition. In this formula, we can take and substitute the values x1, y1, x2, y2. So given the points, this is x1 and y1, x2, y2. Take and substitute in formula, guys. So we can substitute in formula. We can get like that: y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Clear? Now here the denominator term is 3. In y there is no denominator, so we can take the denominator is 1. Same thing, 2 does not have a denominator, we can take the denominator is 1. And here also we can take the denominator term is 1. So here denominators and all different. So you want to take cross multiple. So take cross multiple: 3 into y, 3y. 1 into 2, 2. By 1 3s are 3. And here same one, take cross multiple. So minus 6 minus 2 by 3. And right hand side x minus 2 by, take cross multiple, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 2s are 4 by 2. So here the denominators are same, so I can cancel 3, 3 I can cancel. Then next we get the answer 3y minus 2 by minus 8. And here x minus 2 by minus 5 by 2. Here only denominator, here only 2 having. In numerator there is no denominator 2. So didn't cancel 2. So next step, here left hand side no changes, right hand side the divide want to change multiple, this divide want to change multiple, and reciprocal of this term. So reciprocal of this term we can take into 2 by minus 5, 2 by minus 5. And the next take this 2 multiply by inside, we can get 2x minus 4 by minus 5. And then next we can take the cross multiple, guys. We can do cross multiple. So take this minus 5 multiply by these 2 terms. So we multiply by 2 terms. So take 5 multiply by 2 terms. So minus 15y minus minus plus 5 2s are 10, and equal to take minus 8 multiply by both terms. So we can multiply means we can get the answer minus 16x plus minus minus plus by 8 4s are 32. So I already told, in equation of line x is always positive. Here x is negative, so I can change the term this side. All this one we can change this side. So minus 16x come this side plus, and plus 32 come this side minus 32. These terms are no changes, so I can keep straightly minus 15y and plus 10. So minus 32 plus 10, different symbol we can subtract, we can get the answer 16x minus 15y minus 22 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of line passing through the 2 points. Understand, guys? And the next to go for second sum, same one. Here they given first points 2 comma 3 and second point minus 7 comma minus 1. Here equation of line passing through how many points? 2 points. So equation of line passing through 2 points. Then equation of line y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the condition for equation of line passing through 2 points. So take and substitute x1 y1 x2 y2, take and substitute in equation. Okay, here both also having same symbol, so we can add -4. Here also both of also same symbol, we can add -9. Understand guys? Next we can do the cross multiple. So take this 9, multiply by these two terms. So we can get the answer -9y plus 27. And then same one, take -4, multiply this side. So we can do the cross multiplication. We can get the result -9y plus 27 is equal to -4x plus 8. So here also x is minus. So equation of line x is plus. So I can change the term this side. So change this side. So minus come this side, plus, and plus 8 come this side, -8. These terms under no changes. Straightly we can write. So then equation of line is 4x minus 9y plus 19 is equal to 0. So this is equation of line. And then next sum. See the question of boys. A cat is located at the point -6, 4. That is, the cat is located at the point -6, -4 in a xy plane. A bottle of milk is at 5, level. So cat sit in the point -6, -4, and the milk bottle, it is in the place at the point 5, level. So now the cat go and drink the milk. So the cat want to travel A to B. So A to B. So A is a 1 point and B is a another 1 point. So here you want to use the condition of equation of 2 points. So equation of 2 points. Equation of 2 points the condition y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Clear boys? Condition okay? Because cat sit in a point A, milk in the point B. So the cat move A to B. So that is the equation of line passes through the point A to B. So here they given 2 points. So equation of 2 point condition, this one. Here take and substitute the values x1, y1, x2, y2. So substitute in equation. So y, this formula minus rabbis. Here y1 is -4. So only I can return minus of -4. And then y2 minus y1. y2 is 11. And this is the formula minus. y1 is equal to -4. So -4. Same one here, x minus x1. x1 is equal to -6. So x minus x1 is -6. And then x2 minus x1 is -6 rabbis. So now minus minus plus. And then next here also minus minus plus. So 11 plus 4, 15. And here minus minus plus x plus 6 by minus minus plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Next take the cross multiple. So take 11 multiple by these two terms. So we can get 11y plus 44 is equal to take 15 multiply 2 terms. 15x plus 15 6 are 90. Here x is positive, so I can change the term this side. So these terms will come this side, means plus come this side minus level y, and plus 44 come this side minus 44. These terms are no changes, so I can write straightly. Then plus 90 minus 44, different symbol. So we can subtract, we can get the answer 15x minus level y plus 46 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of line. Clear? And then go for next sum. First I will finish 12th sum, and after that I will come 8, 9, 10 level and all. Now go for question number 12. So in question number 12, what they given? Find the equation of line whose intercept on the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. So here they given two intercept, x-intercept and y-intercept. Clear? So x-intercept 4 and y-intercept -6. So given two intercepts 4 and -6. So only I can take first one is x-intercept A equal to 4 and y-intercept B is equal to -6. So here given two intercept x-intercept and y-intercept. So two intercept given, then equation of line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So the condition of two intercept they given means equation of line x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So now take and substitute that x-intercept A and y-intercept B. Take and substitute the boys. Here x-intercept A is equal to 4. I can substitute here. And y-intercept B is equal to -6. I can substitute here. So next denomination are different. So we can take the cross multiple. So take the cross multiple. 6 into x, 6x. Here plus into minus, minus rabbis. So we can change that x by y plus into minus y by 6 is equal to 1. Now the denominator terms are different. So we can take cross multiple. 6 into x, 6x, 4 into y, 4y by 6 4s are 24. Next divide 24, come this side, multiple. So 1 into 24 plus 24, come this side, minus 24. So we can get the equation 6x minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. Here 6, 4, 24. All the numbers are will come to table. So I can divide it by 2. All the numbers will come to table. So I can divide it by 2. We can get the result 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation of line. They given two intercept. They given two intercept means equation of line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, now go for second sum. Same one. They given two intercepts. They given x intercept and